Installing new windows is one of the most effective ways to improve the comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term value of your Miami Gardens home. But because South Florida's climate brings intense heat, humidity, heavy rain, and occasional storms, window installation must be done correctly to avoid future problems. Even small mistakes can lead to drafts, leaks, mold growth, and reduced energy efficiency, all of which can shorten the lifespan of your new windows. To help you protect your investment, here are the most common window installation mistakes Miami Gardens homeowners should avoid. Choosing the wrong window style for the climate. Not all window styles perform the same in a humid, storm-prone environment. Some windows are better suited for ventilation, while others provide stronger protection against rain and wind. Common mistakes include installing windows without proper sealing for heavy rainfall, choosing low-quality materials that warp from humidity, using single-pane windows that can't handle Florida's heat. To avoid these problems, choose windows designed for hot, humid climates, such as vinyl or fiberglass frames and double or triple pane glass with low E coatings. Not hiring a professional installer. DIY window installation may seem cost-effective, but it often leads to long-term issues. Incorrect installation can create serious problems like air leaks, water infiltration, misaligned frames, poor insulation, reduced window lifespan. Professional installers understand Miami Gardens building codes, climate demands, and proper sealing techniques. Hiring an expert ensures your windows perform at their best from day one. Skipping moisture barriers and proper sealing. Humidity, afternoon storms, and tropical weather make moisture control essential. Without proper sealing, water can seep around the window frame and into your home's walls. Skipping this crucial step can lead to mold and mildew damage, drywall rotting, window frames, higher repair costs. A professional installer will use flashing tape, high-quality sealants, and moisture barriers to keep your home protected, especially during Miami Gardens' rainy season. Overlooking the importance of proper measurements. Even a small measuring error can lead to major installation issues. Windows that are too large or too small create gaps that are difficult, sometimes impossible, to seal correctly. Incorrect sizing often causes drafts and poor insulation. Misaligned sashes, difficult operation, increased energy loss. Accurate measurements ensure a snug, secure fit that supports both efficiency and durability. Choosing cheap or low-quality window materials. Miami Gardens homeowners must contend with high humidity, strong UV exposure, and occasional high winds. Cheap windows often break down faster and fail to provide proper efficiency or protection. Low-quality materials may warp or crack, lose their seals, allow heat to enter the home, have shorter lifespans. Investing in energy-efficient, durable windows saves money in the long run and helps your home stay comfortable year-round. Forgetting about ventilation needs. Ventilation is important in a humid climate. Installing only fixed, non-operable windows can restrict airflow and increase indoor moisture levels. Poor ventilation can lead to condensation, mold growth, higher indoor humidity, structural damage. Over time, mixing operable window styles, like casement, awning, or slider windows, helps maintain healthy airflow throughout your home. Not considering impact-resistant options. While Miami Gardens is inland, storms can still bring strong winds and debris. Choosing non-impact windows may put your home at unnecessary risk. Impact-resistant windows provide greater storm protection, better security, enhanced noise reduction, increased energy efficiency. Skipping impact windows may lead to costly repairs when severe weather hits. Ignoring local building codes. South Florida has strict building codes for wind resistance and safety. Installing windows that don't meet these requirements can result in fines or insurance issues. A licensed installer ensures your windows meet all Miami-Dade and local standards. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows is a smart investment, but only when installation is done right. By avoiding common mistakes such as improper sealing, poor ventilation planning, incorrect measurements, and choosing inexperienced installers, Miami Gardens homeowners can enjoy longer-lasting, more energy-efficient, and safer windows. With professional installation and high-quality materials, your home will stay comfortable, protected, and beautiful for years to come.